First, open your Illustrator. Now I'm gonna take a rectangular shape. I'm gonna make a subcolor and press Ctrl OK. I'm gonna round it. After that, I just take it this corner of artboard. I'm gonna copy it. Then I just take a text. My text name is Mango Bold. You can take any kind of font you want. Now I'm gonna make it bigger. Then I have to create it outline. So I have to go create outline. Now I'm gonna take it to center of rectangular shape. I'm gonna make it minus on it. I have to go effect 3D classic, exit bevel. I'm to make it isometric left, so I have to decrease the depth. Now I have to take it to graphic style. Now convert it to another one. Now I have to reduce some depth on it, so I'm gonna take it front of another rectangular shape, make it adjust. Now I have to make it expand appearance. Now ungroup it, so I have to join it. Now I have to give color on it. Then I'm gonna give some stroke to make it colorful. That's all. Now reduce the color. That's all. Subscribe my YouTube channel for watching this kind of video.